This is beautiful. Oh, it smells so good too. Simple Modern makes like bog bags dupe. It's not really a dupe because it's their own brand, but fall is my most favorite season of all. Turn on my jazz and then we're gonna get into what was bought. It started raining, so I had to put the hair up. It's a little bit crazy, but it's okay. Ooh, August fall morning.
Amanda, where did you go the night of the murder? I'm innocent.
Jazz is on. So pretty. And let's get into this haul. We're gonna start with Hobby Lobby. The sale was 40% off fall. Let's see. Oh, it's not on here. I picked up these white silicone like pumpkins. Those would be great in a jar, a lantern, or more. The mugs were on sale. And this this one says grateful, and it's really big. This was $8.99, so 40% off. And so the mugs are $5, 40% off. This is the second one. Happy fall, y'all. I love that so much. Happy fall, y'all. We are officially getting ready for fall. Fall mug. And then it's like a sweater and the inside. Okay, so this is an M charm. My name is Jakai, so this is for my mother. If you know her name, you're very special. Oh, okay, so the flip-flops were, I think, 70% off, so $5.99 and $1.50, I believe. So, of course, lime green will look great on chocolate skin. I can't even put my hair clippers up, but you get the point. This was so pretty. So, it is a leather-like, let me cover my face, a leather-like wreath holder. So it almost gives me the vibes of a belt. So here it is. So I go over the door for the fall wreath, and you will see that in a video coming soon. And the last item from Hobby Lobby is a fall doormat. And it says thankful. I'm short, so here we go. Thankful. Which I always am thankful for the gift of life. And thankful to the Lord that fall is almost here. So yes, this is the fall mat for your door. Okay, next is Ulta. And this is the last segment of the video. I saw a girl with rollers last night, and I was thinking about rollers, so this purchase was made. The Baby Bliss hot rollers. Now, if you, one, are black, and two, you know, back in the day, like our mamas, grandmas use hot rollers. So if you want your hair great and you're natural, get you some hot rollers, girl. Now this is cute, and I'm a purple girl, but it's a pink Ulta bag, a reusable bag. Now the items couldn't fit in the bag, so that's why it was in the bag. But it's Ulta at the bottom, an Ulta Beauty pink bag. And this is really cute, and I'm a purple girl. So if they make purple, you'll see another video of me with it. So yeah. Okay, we have 2 more products and then free samples. Shout out to the lady. We never get free samples when I go in there or with my mom or my sister. So to have free samples today is a blessing. Next and the final brand is Way. I just tagged them in a video not too long ago and they responded. So hopefully they see this on YouTube. Which is the body cleanser. We have the body cleanser and the hair body mist. So we're going to spray it just for the sake of the video. And the scent. I will leave that in. Okay, the scent is St. Bart's. And honestly, I'm making my nose. Honestly, the scent smells really good. I would describe it as a clean ocean scent, but it's great for all seasons, in my opinion. So go try it out and spray it, but don't spray it close to your nose like I did. And it's St. Bart's Way products. Last is free samples, which I'm so thankful for, as I just said, because we never get free samples. Okay, 3 free samples from the brand Dermalogica, and it's the exfoliating powder to cleanser. So you pour it in your hands as a powder, and then you add water, and then it foams up. I'll insert a video because I've watched girls do. I was like, oh, I want that. And they just sent PR to one of my favorite content creators. So hopefully you can get some more things. So yeah, that was all for the haul. Free samples. I'll do this. Free samples, mugs, hot rollers, Way, in this fall. So I really had fun today. A quick little outing. And once get posted, it'll be not today. But I had much fun shopping for fall. It's my favorite season. I appreciate the time that was spent shopping for fall. And there's more content coming. Do not worry. I'm starting a fall series. So you will see the title of this video when it's live. If y'all want more fall content, make sure to subscribe down below. I had so much fun to show you all more products. Thank you so much for watching my video. Y'all have a great life. Bye. Hey, I'm back. Quick second. Once I sprayed that Way, my whole room smells like an ocean. And my little sister said like a coconut too. It smells good. Y'all gotta go get these products. The mist is what I sprayed. So you can even spray this in your room, even though it says a hair and body mist. I would say you could use this as a room spray. Even your bathroom would smell like a hotel. That's what it's giving. It's giving hotel luxury. So yeah, that's all I had to say. Talk to you soon. Bye.